so I'll be showing you my progress throughout the week. I left this hair mask in my hair for 30 minutes, sometimes even overnight. Some pros that I found were that it moisturized my split ends, it added shine, and it felt super soft and healthy. With this coconut treatment, I almost felt like this worked like a relaxer, and for me, I don't really have much volume, so for me, it really weighed down my hair. I have excessive hair loss, but with the 3 treatments and my daily vitamins, it really helped. I'll be using the CreaClip. So what you do is flip your hair forward, brush it out, place the clip to the desired length, use the level to make sure it's straight, and then cut. I wanted to cut about 2 to 3 inches. I do have layers, so some of my hair did fall out of the clip, but no need to worry because you can just repeat the steps. I felt like this CreaClip was so easy to use. The CreaClip also comes with a small clip. I wanted to give myself side swept bangs, and this is how you do it. First, separate the desired thickness for your bangs. Next, put the remainder hair in a ponytail. Next, clip the small CreaClip to your bangs and pull it to the desired length. Then you're going to move the level 2 notches to the left. Make sure it's leveled and then cut. If you're interested in trying the CreaClip, I have a discount you can use and I will leave that in the description. Just in case you were wondering, I got my earrings at Claytique Boutique on Etsy. I'll include the link in the description. Also, make sure you go check them out because they just added a new fall collection.